King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain sticks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. If you are loving the Christmas videos, then this video is perfect for you. We are going to be making a hot cocoa lip gloss in today's video. So to start, I have 5 ounces of Ready Gloss pre-made gloss base in each of these bowls. So we are going to add our hot cocoa flavoring oil from Get Suckered. So since we are making a hot cocoa marble swirl lip gloss, we are going to use our chocolate brown pigment in one bowl and our white lip liquid, both from TKB Trading, in our second bowl. Going to go ahead and mix those lip liquids into our gloss base, and we added a lot of pigment because we want our glosses to be nice and pigmented on the lips. Also, everything that I use in today's video will be linked in the description for you guys. So now we're going to take our 20 milliliter syringe, and since this is a marble swirl lip gloss, we only need 1 syringe because we are going to go back and forth from each color and suck the gloss up into the same syringe to get that swirl and marble effect. The thing that I love so much about these glosses is that each gloss is different and unique in its own way, because it's no way that each gloss can come out the same way. But look how beautiful this is. Like, I love the marble effect of doing this technique. So I really love this gloss, and it smells amazing.
It's arson.
process can take a very long time, as the marble effect and swirl effect does require a lot. We have to go back and forth from each color, but it is most definitely worth it. I promise you will love the outcome of your glosses. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the music and enjoy the video.
It's RSN.
are finally done filling all of your tubes. Look at how beautiful these glosses are. Like, get into the detail of the swirl in each gloss. Is different and unique in each tube. That's my favorite thing about this method and this technique. I hope you guys really are enjoying this video, and I hope that you learned something new, and I hope that you are also loving the Christmas theme. So now we're going to go ahead and add all of the caps to the tubes and secure them. Here's a close-up of the final product. I am loving this hot cocoa marble swirl lip gloss. It smells amazing. It looks so different and unique. I absolutely am in love, and I hope that you guys are too. Let me know what you think in the comments. So far, this is my second holiday themed lip gloss video, so there will be 4 in total, and let me know which one is your favorite once all 4 are posted. With that being said, I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before you click off of this video. And look forward to our Christmas collection. It will be like no other. So make sure you shop with Sexy Lexy Inc. at www.sexylexyinc.com. The link is always in the description. I'll see you guys in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring.